I want to thank Ticonn. They sent me this package of 5 caster wheels to test out and give an honest review about how well they do with our chairs, or in my case, table. So this is the honest review of how I feel about Ticonn's caster wheels, and I will actually show you with these wheels on my new table. So these wheels are just the inexpensive ones that came with the table. They've even got like cat and dog hair stuck in them because of how they're designed. So these are gonna come off. Normally you could just pull them off. So I'm exchanging them, swapping them out with Ticonn's wheels. These wheels come in a pack of 5, which is good because there are 5 wheels on my table. And they're made for chairs, generally. They fit any chair except for not IKEA chairs. They don't need any tools. And yeah, so we'll see how these go because this will be so much easier. They support up to 650 pounds, which is nice. So I'm just gonna take one of these, pop it right in, and do that to all of them. These wheels are so nice. They spin like you can't even hear them. Silently spinning, but they spin so well, and they swivel really well. And with them holding up to 650 pounds of weight, even though I don't need that on this table, I really like these. They're just a great quality, and it looks like they're really put together well. It does not look like they have a bunch of cheap parts or anything like that. Everything is really well done. All right, moment of truth. Wow, it's practically silent. This is so nice. Yep, I'll be using this table so much more now because now it's easier to move around and does not have that awful grinding, grating noise from those wheels. So hopefully you enjoy them as much as I do, and I think I'm going to probably replace all of the wheels on all of our stuff in the house. I need to go get some more.